Hello my friends, it's Danny, and today I am showing you how to make chocolate covered strawberries like a pro, which just so happens to be extremely easy to do. And while this video is of course being inspired by Valentine's Day, I just want to remind you that chocolate covered strawberries are a delicious sweet treat to make all throughout the year. You could do it when you're doing your weekend meal prep and then store them in the fridge for up to 5 days. So be sure that you keep that in mind. And just a friendly reminder to anybody who is new to the Clean and Delicious community, first, welcome. We're very happy to have you here. And two, if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell so anytime we put up a new video, you are sure to see it. So the very first thing we need to do is wash and dry the strawberries. It's very important that the strawberries are completely dry before you dip them in the chocolate, because if you get water into your chocolate, the chocolate is going to seize up and then the whole thing is going to be a mess. So I recommend maybe even doing this the night before. Give them a good wash, and then what I do is I usually just lay them on a clean dish towel, and then if it's cooler out, you could leave them on the counter overnight, or you could just pop the whole thing in the fridge. This way, when you're ready to start your strawberries, they're clean, they're dry, and they're ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is set up my double boiler, which is actually very easy to do. You don't need any special fancy equipment. You just need a pot and a bowl. So I've got a medium-sized pot here. I'm going to get some water in the bottom, just a couple of inches, and then we're going to bring that up to a boil. Then you want a bowl that fits on top of your pot without touching the boiling water on the bottom. Otherwise, you could potentially scorch your chocolate, and we don't want that to happen. The next thing you have to decide on is what type of chocolate you want to use. You could do milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, dark chocolate. They all work, so just choose whichever one you enjoy the most. And yes, you could also do chocolate chips. I am using the 72% dark chocolate bar from Trader Joe's. It's one of my personal favorites. I always keep it in the house, and it's perfect for making chocolate covered strawberries. So I'm just gonna break it up into chunks and get that into my bowl along with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil is our secret ingredient because this is what's gonna give your chocolate that shine that you see when you buy them from the store. So it's gonna make your chocolate covered strawberries look very professional. If you don't have coconut oil, you could also use an avocado oil or even a grapeseed oil. Once the chocolate has all melted down and it's mixed in with the coconut oil, I just shut off the heat, remove the bowl from the double boiler, do this very carefully, and then you're ready to dip your chocolate. So what I do is I grab the strawberry right at the top, right by the greens here, and then you're just gonna dip it right into the chocolate, move it around. You wanna cover almost the entire strawberry, but leave a little bit of red right at the top. This lets people know that it's a strawberry, number one, and number two, it's super beautiful. Once I've got my strawberry dipped, I place it right onto a rimmed baking sheet that is lined with either a silicone mat or some parchment paper, and repeat until you've worked through all of your strawberries. Now, if you wanted to, you could dip your strawberries in some mini chocolate chips or in some coconut or in some chopped up nuts. You would want to do that while they're still wet, but personally, I just love a simple, classic chocolate dipped strawberry. And do note, if you should have any chocolate left in the bottom of the bowl that doesn't seem deep enough for dipping your strawberries, do not throw it away. You could grab any nut or piece of dried fruit you have in the house, dump it in the bowl, mix it up, put that right onto a tray or a plate, pop it in the fridge, and you'll have an extra little sweet treat to enjoy throughout the week. From here, I just take the tray and put it into the fridge, let it set up for about 45 minutes to an hour, and once the chocolate has hardened, your chocolate covered strawberries are ready to go. If you were making these ahead of time and keeping them at home, you would just transfer them into an airtight container where you could store them in your fridge for up to 5 days. And if you wanted to gift them, you could go to a craft store and buy little candy boxes or little muffin cups and set them up, make them super cute, and then give them out to all of your friends and family, because nothing says I love you like something homemade straight from the kitchen. Straight from the Clean and Delicious kitchen, that is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Danny Spees. Happy early Valentine's Day. I'll be back with more Valentine recipes before Valentine's Day. And my dear friend, if you have not already, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with anybody else you know who wants to make healthy eating easy. I'm Danny Spees. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you back here next time with some more Clean and Deliciousness. Cheers.